Now that we understand about what is prompt, let me share a fun story with you. This might help you remember this concept much better. But before we start, I want to ask you one question. Do you remember this animated show called Doraemon? You know that one with the blue cat robot from the future and his human friend Nobita? It used to be on TV all the time. Ring any bells? And by the way, I actually have glasses similar to Nobita. Let me show you. Okay, these round glasses. Okay, I'm thinking I will wear this for this video. Okay, I hope looks good. Okay. Well, if you are familiar with this show, then you are in a treat. And if you're not, don't worry. You are about to learn why Nobita might just be the world's first prompt engineer. Picture this. Nobita, our lovable but often troubled protagonist, is having another tough day. Maybe he is struggling with homework, or he is being chased by the neighborhood bully, or he trying to impress his crush Shizuka. Whatever the problem, Nobita always does the same thing. He turns to his robotic cat friend Doraemon for the help. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Nobita doesn't just say, "Doraemon, help me." No, he is much smarter than that. He describes the problem in detail and asks for a specific kind of solution. Sounds familiar? That's right, Nobita is essentially crafting a prompt. For example, Nobita might say something like, "Doraemon, I have a math test tomorrow, but I haven't studied at all. Do you have any gadget that can help me learn quickly without staying up all night?" This isn't just a cry for help, it's a well crafted prompt with a clear parameters and desired outcomes. And what does Doraemon do? He reaches into his magical 4-dimensional pocket and pulls out exactly the right gadget for the job. Maybe it's the study helmet that downloads information directly into Nobita's brain, or a time machine to give him extra hours to study. Whatever it is, it's always perfectly suited to Nobita's request. In a way, Doraemon is like AI, and his 4-dimensional pocket is like a vast database of solution. Nobita's skill lies in knowing how to ask for the help in just the right way to get best results. Think about it. Nobita's prompt always include a clear description of the problem, the context or constraints like time limits, or a specific request for the type of solution he needs. Sounds familiar, right? That's exactly what we do when we are crafting prompts for AI. Of course, just like with AI, things don't always go perfectly. Sometimes Nobita's prompts are too vague or he forgets to mention an important detail. And that's when the hilarious mishap happens. Just like when we get unexpected or funny response from AI due to poorly worded prompts. So the next time you are struggling to get the right response from an AI, remember Nobita. Be specific about your problem and precise in what you're asking for. Who knows, you might be just pull the perfect solution out of your own 4-dimensional pocket. Now, isn't it amazing how a childhood cartoon can teach us something so relatable to cutting-edge technology? That's the beauty of storytelling and prompt engineering. So do you think Nobita would make a great prompt engineer in today's world? Share your comments with me. So when I was learning prompt engineering like 2-3 years ago, it kind of relate to me like when I used to see the cartoon Doraemon, and it was like same like how we ask a prompt to ChatGPT, and Doraemon exactly do the same thing with a Nobita. So it was in my mind, so I thought let's create a video on this and let me share that same story with my students. I hope you got the idea how prompt works and how to ask better prompts, specific prompts. So stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and that's it for today's video, and see you guys in the next one. Peace out.